everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for MyWisely account. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open a preferred web browser of your choice. Now, go to the URL box at the top and type in mywisely.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in the official website of MyWisely, go ahead and click on the Sign Up Now link at the top right corner. Now, you will come across the Sign Up page. Go ahead and click on the Enroll for a Card option and enter your information in the text boxes on the next page. You will need to provide some basic info of yours, such as your full name and an email address. Go ahead and type in your full name in the top of the screen and then type in a valid email address right where it says email address on the next field. Once you are done providing the information, click on I'm not a robot and complete the CAPTCHA. Once done, click on the next button and enter your date of birth on the next page. Once you are done providing your date of birth, click next and you will now need to enter your permanent address in the following text boxes. Go ahead and enter your street address, the name of your city, choose your state from the drop-down and enter your zip code. After filling in your address, click on the next button. Now, you will need to provide your phone number. Enter your phone number in the text box provided, and if you want to grant ADP the permission to send you text messages in this provided phone number, click on this little box at the bottom. If you don't want to allow it, make sure to leave the box unchecked and click next. Now, verify your phone number that you've just entered by entering the verification code that you received. Once entering the code correct, you will be able to sign up for your MyWisely account. Simply follow through the on-screen prompts till the end and you will be able to complete your registration. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.